In this video, we will continue our learning about quadratic equation, and specifically we will see what we mean by solving a quadratic equation or finding the roots of quadratic equation. As we have learned in the earlier video, that quadratic equation is an equation where left hand side equal to is written in this format, and it is having a quadratic polynomial, and the example we have taken is something like 2x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. So like this. So this is a quadratic polynomial on the left hand side and on the right hand side, and in the standard format in the right hand side we bring it to 0. However, it could be any value on the right hand side also, but as we know that we can bring the expressions or the terms from right hand side to left hand side or vice versa. So normally we bring all the terms on the left hand side, and then 0 is left on the right hand side. And as you know that the equation has the same value on left hand side equal to right hand side only for some specific values of x. Specific values of x. So this equality is true only for the specific values of x, and solving the quadratic equation means finding these values of x. Finding these values of x. So that is what is meant by solving a quadratic equation. That means we need to find for what values of x this relationship of left hand side equal to right hand side holds good. And typically a quadratic equation, and these are also called roots of quadratic equation, and a quadratic equation can have either two roots or two roots which are distinct, which are different two roots, or we call it distinct two roots, or it is one root, or it may be none. So it means we have either, and this we are referring to real numbers, real roots. We call it real roots. We have learned in the number system what is real number. So it means that among the real number domain, there can be a maximum of two roots. And for solving the quadratic equation, there are three methods. First is factorization. Then another method is graphical, which we have seen earlier, graphical method. And the third is by a formula, or this method is also called completing square method. Completing square method. So in third, actually they are, you can consider as like four methods. So factorization, graphical method, then completing square method, and the formula is that for a given equation in this format, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, for this the value of x is minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac over 2a. So this is the formula for x square is equal to minus b 4ac over 2a. Anyway, we will learn these methods in subsequent videos. So basically what we have learned in this video is that the roots or solution of a quadratic equation is basically finding the value of the variable for which the relationship of the equation holds good. And we also understand by now that a quadratic equation can have maximum 2 roots. Sometimes it has only 1 root, means both the roots have the same value, and sometimes it has no real number as its roots. Thank you.